to my channel. My name is Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Today's video will be a no new makeup tutorial. It's just gonna be a simple tutorial where I talk about some of the older products that I got, and I did a similar video a couple months back. I think it was in the beginning of last year as well. So yeah, I wanted to do a series like this because I want to use this opportunity to go back into my collection and look at some of the older products that I got and start using them again. So I feel like this is going to be a great way to, you know, start doing that again. This is why I look a little bit crazy with no makeup on. Hair's a mess, but I'm about to fix this up, and yeah, we'll go from there. You know the drill, keep on watching. So sorry my eyes are a little bit red on the inner corners here, inner and outer corners. I'm having my allergies reaction again. Itchy eyes, runny nose, sneezing. I finally made an appointment, so I should be going to the doctor's this week and getting a checkup. So we'll see what the deal with that is. But for now, let's jump into the video. And today's palette is the OLDIE but Goodie Modern Renaissance from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I've never did a tutorial using this palette because I got this palette before I started doing tutorials on my YouTube. So as you can see, it is really loved and used. Like, I've hit pan on 3 of these. So yeah, I just really like used it religiously. So yeah, I felt like this is a good opportunity to get back and use this palette again, see if the quality is still there. I know this is probably like a couple years old, really bad, but oh well, I really do love it. Packaging is really dirty as well. So yes, I will be going to this palette today, creating a nice berry eyes. So we are going to just prime with the P. Louise. I am going to start off with Raw Sienna and Burnt Orange. These are my 2 favorite shades for the crease. For outer corner, I want to go in with Love Letter. It's like, I'm gonna use this here. I'm going in with Buon Fresco. It's like a nice light purple pink shade right in that space. I'm going back into Love Letter, just fixing the outer corners a bit. Like I mentioned before, I just want to like blend this side like seamlessly. In the back of the brush, the same brush that I use for the Buon Fresco shade, I am going in with Vermeer. That's like my favorite shade in this palette. Obviously, I hit pan on it. Just going to apply a little bit of that in the inner corners of my eyes. Okay, let's move on to the face for now. I am going in with this Wander Beauty primer, and this is the Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. A nice hydrating start to my skin. Just hydrate. For foundation, I am going in with the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Up to 24-Hour Fresh Water. So this was a favorite of mine, but I kind of stopped using it when I discovered the Your Forever Foundation Glow. Okay, and this is the foundation. I'm going to move on to concealer. So a concealer that I feel like I have not used in a while is this Marc Jacobs concealer. This is the Accomplice Stick Concealer from Marc Jacobs. I remember I really used to love this concealer. It just feels really nice. But after my discovery of the Too Faced concealer, like I just stopped using this completely. So the coverage is definitely like I remember it, very full coverage. Nice, very easy to blend, really creamy. So I do remember really enjoying this concealer. So I do want to go back and start using concealer again. For bronzer, I have this one from Becca. This is the Bronze Bondi Sunlit Bronzer. I do remember really enjoying this bronzer. So I am going to give it a go and see how it performs. Oh yeah, it's there. Pigmentation is there. It is a little on the redder side of this bronzer, but I can always make it work. This is the Ofra blush. And this is in the shade Raisin. It's like a nice darker peachy tone. So I'm going to start trying this out. I'm going to put this on my skin. Before going into some highlighter, I am going to finish the eyes and go in with the same shade. These are the flutter lashes in the style Intoxicating. I remember they were a little bit long and bigger and they were really dramatic. So that's why I feel like I didn't really wear it as much, but I am going to try it again and see how I feel about it right now. Alright, while I let the lashes dry, I am going in with a highlighter. And this is the Persona Cali Glow highlighter in the shade Zuma. I used to really love this one. This is like my holy grail before I got the cookie highlighter from Benefit. This was definitely a favorite of mine. See that? Oh my god. Oh, so pretty. That's so pigmented. Nose. Let's go ahead and put on some falsies. Okay, and then we are finishing off with some lips, and then we are going in with ColourPop shade Beeper. Oh my gosh, this used to be a favorite of mine. Yeah, you see that? It's like a beautiful shade. Oh yeah, I don't know why I stopped using this beautiful shade. So finishing off with some Olay Mist. And this is the look. OMG, I am obsessed with this look. It's so pretty. Just the perfect like monochromatic look. I love unmonochromatic moment. So yeah, I really do like it. Like I said, I really do love this eyeshadow palette. It is one of my ultimate favorite palettes. Yeah, I'm just so happy to be able to dig back into some of these products and just remembering how much I love it back then. So I really want to go back and continue using these products again. Of course, this won't be the only time I'm using it. I am going to be leaving these products up on my desk here so I can reuse them again. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I hope you guys like this look. Thank you guys all so much for watching. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can be a part of my little family here on YouTube. I'd appreciate that so much. And until then, I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.